Good morning, students. How are you? I hope that all are well and living safe life at your home. Now today, let us we will discuss about some problems. All these questions depend on your book from page number 63. My dear student, your first question is do and learn from page number 63. This is your first question. Add 3 upon 8 plus 4 upon 8. You know very well 3 upon 8 and 4 upon 8. This is the like fraction. These two fractions are like fraction. That's why denominators are equal or denominators are same. So how will you add 3 upon 8 and 4 upon 8? So 3 upon 8 plus 4 upon 8. For this question, first we will take out LCM of 8 and 8. I hope that all are know about the LCM. So LCM of 8 and 8 will be, now look here, 8 and 8, these two 8 divided by 2. 2 4 ja 8, again 2 4 ja 8, again 2 2 ja 4, 2 2 ja 4. These 2 divided by 2, 2 1 ja 2, 2 1 ja 2. Now LCM of 8 and 8 will be 2 into 2 into 2. As you are looking 2 into 2 into 2, it will give to you 8. LCM of 8 and 8 will be 8. Okay, so LCM of 8 and 8 will be 8. Then after, what will you do? 8 upon 8, 8 divided by 8, you will get 1, and 3 1 ja 3, plus 8 upon 8 divided by 1, 4 1 ja 4. It will give to you 3 plus 4 upon 8. 3 plus 4 is equal to 7 upon 8. 7 upon 8 is required answer of the given question. Okay. Your next question is 6 upon 13 plus 2 upon 11. My dear student, these two fractions are unlike fraction. That's why denominators are different. So how will you add these two fractions? We will apply the same procedure. First, we will take out LCM of 13 and 11. 13 and 11, you know very well, 13 and 11 both are prime number. So 11 divided by 11, 13 is not divided by 11. It will take the same 11 upon 11, 1. 11 1 ja 11. Again 13 divided by 13, 13 1 ja 13, and this is 1. 11 into 13, it will give to you 143. 143 is LCM of 13 and 11. Now again, we will take out the first fraction. It is 6 upon 13, and 13 is denominator. Denominator converted to 143. So what will you do? 6 upon 13, in this fraction we will multiply by 11. We will multiply by 11 in numerator and denominator. 11 6 ja 66. 13 into 11, it will give to you 143. So 6 upon 13 we will convert it to 66 upon 143. Okay. Again 2 upon 11. In this question, 11 converted to 143. How will you convert 11 to 143? How will you convert 11 to 143? It will be very easy to you. 11 multiplied by 13. So in 2 upon 11, in numerator and denominator multiplied by 13. Okay, 13 2 ja 26, 11 into 13, it will give to you 143. So 2 upon 11 converted to 26 upon 143. Then after 66 upon 143 plus 26 upon 143. Your question is the unlike fraction. Your question is in unlike fraction, and unlike fraction converted to like fraction. As you are looking 66 upon 143 and 26 upon 143. These two fractions are like fraction. That's why denominators are same or denominators are equal. LCM of 143 and 143, it will give to you 143. Again, then after it is 66 plus 26. 66 plus 26, it will give to you 92. It will give to you 92. So 92 upon 143 is required answer of the given question. Okay, 92 upon 143 is required answer of the given question. Okay, my dear student, your next question is 2 upon 5 plus 4 and 1 upon 4. How will you add these two numbers? You know very well these two fractions are mixed fraction. These two fractions are mixed fraction. So what will you do? Mixed fraction, first we will convert it to improper fraction. Okay, mixed fraction converted to improper fraction. How? Look here, this is 2 upon 5. So what will you do? Now look here, 2 upon 5 means 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 2 equal to 12, 12 upon 5 plus 4 4s are 16, 16 plus 1, it will give to you 17 upon 4. Okay, now mixed fraction converted to improper fraction. Now 12 upon 5 and 17 upon 4. These two fractions are unlike fraction. These two fractions are unlike fraction. So we will take out LCM. The reason is unlike fraction converted to like fraction. Unlike fraction converted to like fraction. For we will take LCM of 5 and 4. You know very well 5 and 4. 5 is not divided by 2, it will take the same. 4 divided by 2, it will give to you 2. 5 is not divided by 2, it will be take same number 5. 2 divided by 2, it will give to you 1. And 5 divided by 5, it will give to you 1. So LCM will be 2 into 2 into 5. It will give to you 20. 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20. Okay, again what will you do? 12 upon 5. This is the fraction, and in this question 5 converted to 20. 5 converted to 20. That means 5 converted to LCM. What is your LCM? LCM is 20. So 5 converted to 20. How? In numerator and denominator multiplied by 4. In numerator and denominator multiplied by 4. So 12 4s are 48, 5 4s are 20. 12 upon 5 converted to 48 upon 20. Then after it is 17 upon 4. We will apply the same procedure. 4 multiplied by 20. In numerator and denominator multiplied by 5. 17 5s are 85, 4 5s are 20. The meaning is 17 upon 4 converted to 85 upon 20. So 12 upon 5 converted to 48 upon 20. 17 upon 4 converted to 85 upon 20. So what you are looking? Unlike fraction. These two fractions are unlike. Unlike fraction converted to like fraction. That's why denominators are same, okay, or denominators are equal. Then after we will add these two fractions. How? Look here. 48 upon 20 plus 85 upon 20. LCM will be same. This is 20. It will give to you 48 plus 85. 48 plus 85, it will give to you 133 divided by 20. This is the improper fraction, and improper fraction converted to mixed fraction. How? Look here. For this we will apply the division procedure. 133 divided by 20. I hope that all are know about the division procedure. 26 is 120. After subtraction you will get 3 minus 0 3, 3 minus 2 1. So it will give to you 6 and 13 upon 20. 6 and 13 upon 20. So 133 upon 20 is 133 upon 20 is improper fraction. After applying the division procedure, improper fraction converted to mixed fraction, as you are looking 6 13 upon 20. This is your required answer. 6 and 13 upon 20. This is your required answer of the given question. We will discuss about question number 2. In all these questions we will apply the same procedure. Subtract 7 and 4 upon 12 minus 3 and 1 upon 3. These two fractions are mixed fraction. These two fractions are mixed fraction, and mixed fraction converted to improper fraction. Mixed fraction converted to improper fraction. How? Look here. 12 7 ja 84. 84 plus 4, it will give to you 88. 88 upon 12 minus 3 3 is 9 plus 1, it will give to you 10. 10 upon 3. As you know very well, these two fractions are unlike fraction. So unlike fraction converted to like fraction. For this we will apply the LCM method. So what will you do? We will take out LCM of 12 and 3. You know very well, 12 divided by 2, it will give to you 6. 3, it is the same number. 6 divided by 2, it will give to you 3, and this is 3. Again 3 divided by 3, 3 upon 3, it will give to you 1, and this is 1. So LCM of 12 and 3 will be 2 into 2 into 3. 2 into 2 into 3. It will give to you 12. Okay. LCM of 12 and 13 is 12. Okay. Now we will discuss about 88 upon 12. My question is, how will you convert 12 converted to 12? How will you convert 12 to 12? So what will you do? For this fraction, in numerator and denominator, we will multiply by 1. 88 1 ja 88, 12 1 ja 12. So 88 upon 12 is equal to 88 upon 12. Okay. Again 10 upon 3. 3 converted to 12. How will you convert 3 to 12? You know very well, 3 4 ja 12. So in numerator and denominator, multiplied by 4 multiplied by 4 in numerator and denominator. 10 4s are 40, 3 4s are 12. So you know very well, as you are looking, these two fractions are unlike fraction, and unlike fraction converted to like fraction, that's why denominators are same. 88 upon 12 minus 40 upon 12, it will give to you 88 minus 40 upon 12. 88 minus 40, it will give to you 48 upon 12. After cancellation, what will you get? Now look here, it is the 12 1 ja 12, 12 4 ja 48. So your required answer is 4. Answer of this question is 4. Okay. Now I have one more question. All these questions depend on your book. This is your question number 3. Add 5 upon 12 to the difference of 1 upon 4 and 2 and 5 upon 6. The meaning is, in this question, first we will take out difference of 1 upon 4 and 2 and 5 upon 6. Now look here. This is 2 and 5 upon 6 minus 1 and 1 upon 4. These two fractions are mixed fraction, and mixed fraction converted to improper fraction. How? Look here. 6 2 ja 12, 12 plus 5, it will give to you 17, 17 upon 6. Okay. Minus 4 1 ja 4, 4 plus 1 5, it will give to you 5 upon 4. Okay. These two fractions are mixed fraction. Mixed fraction converted to improper fraction. 6 2 ja 12, 12 plus 5, it will give to you 17 upon 6. Now look here. Suppose this is 2 and 5 upon 6. So what will you do? 2 into 6 plus 5 upon 6, 2 6 ja 12 plus 5 upon 6, it will give to you 17 upon 6. Okay. Now we apply the same procedure for 1 and 1 upon 4. 4 1 ja 4, 4 plus 1 5, 5 upon 4. These two fractions are unlike fraction. Unlike fraction converted to like fraction. How? For this we will apply the LCM of 6 and 4. LCM of 6 and 4 is 6 divided by 2, it will give to you 3. 4 divided by 2, it will give to you 2. 3 is not divided by 2, so we will take here same number. 2 divided by 2, it will give to you 1. 3 divided by 3, it will give to you 1. Now look here. LCM of 6 and 4 will be 2 into 2 into 3. It will give to you 12. 12 is LCM of 6 and 4. Now this question 17 upon 6. In this question denominator is 6. Denominator is 6. 6 converted to 12. How? Look here. We will multiply by 2 in numerator and denominator. 17 2 ja 34, 6 2 ja 12, 34 upon 12. 17 upon 6 converted to 34 upon 12. Okay. And this is 5 upon 4. Denominator is 4. 4 converted to 12. So what will you do? I hope that all are know about the multiplication table. In numerator and denominator multiplied by 3. 5 3 ja 15, 4 3 ja 12. 5 upon 4 converted to 15 upon 12. Now Look here. According to question, 34 upon 12 minus 15 upon 12. 34 minus 15 upon 12, it will give to you 19 upon 12. Now according to question, add 5 upon 12. Add 5 upon 12 to the difference of 1 upon 4 and 2 and 5 upon 6. So according to question, first we take out difference of 1 upon 4 and 2 and 5 upon 6. What is difference? It is 19 upon 12. Now according to question, in 19 upon 12 we will add 5 upon 12. We will add 5 upon 12. Okay. Now look here. 5 upon 12 plus 19 upon 12. These two fractions are like fraction. It will be very easy to add to you. It will give to you 5 plus 19 upon 12. 5 plus 19, it will give to you 24. 24 upon 12. It will, after cancellation, it will give to you 12 1 ja 12, 12 2 ja 24. This is 2. So answer of required question is 2. Okay. My dear students, all these questions depend on your book from exercise chapter 4 fractions. I hope that it will be very useful to you for your knowledge and upcoming exam. Thank you. God bless you.